I'm going to show you how to get 1000 subscribers in just 24 hours. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 1000 subscribers in just one day. There is a new strategy that smart creators are using to get subs here on YouTube, but no one is talking about this strategy because they take this strategy as a secret. And this is the same strategy that I'm going to expose in this video. Now, that simply means that I'm going to expose a secret strategy right in this video. And the best thing about this strategy, even if you have more than 1000 subscribers on your channel and you want more subs, you can still use this same strategy to get more subs on your channel. So whoever is in need of getting subs here on YouTube, this is your strategy. And without wasting any time, let me show you how to apply this strategy. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back for another video. If this is your first time to be my channel, my name is Ben. On this channel, I make videos about tools, tips, and strategies on how to grow on YouTube. So if you want to grow a YouTube channel for success, just subscribe to my channel, like this video, and most importantly, don't forget to turn on notifications. Let's grow together. Now, I'm going to take you through two steps. The first step, I'm going to show you how to apply the strategy. And the second step, I'm going to show you the things you should not do and the things you should do while applying this strategy. That is very important. So make sure you watch everything step by step, because if you skip anything, this strategy might not work for you. Don't come back and say the strategy did not work for me if you skipped any step. So make sure you watch every step, because that is very important, and that's why I'm repeating it. Make sure you watch everything step by step before you apply the strategy. Let's get started. All right, to perform this strategy, all you need is your smartphone. All right, now once you get your smartphone, what you're gonna do next is to go straight to YouTube. Now, after opening YouTube, you must make sure that the channel you want to get subscribers for, it is the same channel that is logged in. For example, this channel right here, I'll go straight to the channel, and this is the channel I want to implement this strategy on. So you need to make sure that your channel is logged in, the channel you want to promote, the channel you want to get subscribers for, okay? Because that is very important. The channel that is logged in, it is the channel that you're going to get subscribers for. All right, after confirming that, you're gonna tap at the home button right here, and you're gonna come back on the videos that YouTube is showing on your feed, okay? So what you're gonna do next is to look for a short that has views. And when I say views, I mean a short that went super viral, okay? So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna play one by one shot. This shot did not go viral very well. It has only 48,000 likes. That's not a good number. Okay, I'll play this shot right here. It has 6.1 likes. That's not a good number. Let me see this one. Wow, this shot has over 10 million likes. And when we check at the views right here, oh my goodness, this shot got over 800 million views. It is approaching 1 billion views. This is a best match. And now what you're gonna do next, let me try to reduce the volume of this video, okay, so that you can actually get me. But for your case, while applying this strategy, you don't need to reduce the volume. You can just leave the volume of the video as it is, okay? Now, what you're gonna do next after finding the video is to tap on this button right here, the button on the bottom or down here, this particular button right here. This is where you're gonna tap. Now once you tap on the button, this will show next, and what you're gonna do is to tap at the option collab, okay? You're gonna tap at collab right here, and this will come next, okay? Now once you reach right here, you need to make sure that the whole of the video is playing. This is very, very important. So I will need to make sure that my whole video is playing. I'll drag right here to make sure that the whole video is playing. As you see, this video is playing, and this video is just 13 seconds. So after making sure that your video is playing, the whole of it is playing, you're gonna tap at next right here, and it's gonna begin processing. And now once it begins processing, the next thing that will come is this right here. What I'm trying to do is to collaborate with a video that went viral. Remember, this video went viral, and now when I collaborate with this video, the algorithm knows that this video went viral. Now what the algorithm will do is to recommend this video, because the algorithm knows this video, the algorithm knows that this video went viral, and when I collaborate with this video, I'll have more chances. This is like 95% chances of going viral. And by all means, from 800 million viewers that watch this video, I'll get at least 100,000 viewers that watch my video, and from 100,000 viewers, when they watch my video, I'll get at least some number of subscribers from that kind of viewers. All right, let's get back to the steps. What you're gonna do next is to tap at this option right here. Okay, I'm going to tap at the option of layout, and I'm going to choose a particular layout that I like, but I recommend using top, this layout right here. Now once you tap on that layout, this will come next, and you're going to save by tapping at this check right here, or the tick. After tapping right there, the next thing to do is to record. But while recording, you don't need to talk anything, you don't need to say anything. This strategy is very simple to practice. So what you're going to do next is to place your phone at a distance, and if you have a gimbal or anything that can hold your phone, I recommend you use it so that your video doesn't shake, as you see my video shaking right here. So what you're going to do is to place your phone at a distance, and what you're going to do is to tap at the record button, and you're going to begin reacting to this video. Alright, I'll definitely illustrate that. You tap at the record button right here and you start reacting. It is simple as that. I'm done reacting and everything is done. After doing this, what you're gonna do next is to tap at next right here, and the video is gonna begin processing. And now what you're gonna do next is to add the details. You're gonna upload this video to your own channel. One thing you may ask yourself, is this allowed by YouTube? The answer is yes. Now these are the things that you need to know about this strategy, and if you want quick results. Number one, upload at least 3 videos. Do this strategy 3 times. For example, if you upload the first video right now, take 3 hours and do the second video, or upload the second video. React on the second video after 3 hours. After uploading the second video, take 3 hours and upload the third video. And once you're done uploading 3 videos, begin counting 24 hours from the time you upload the last video or the third video. It will take you 24 hours to get more than 1,000 subscribers, I promise you. And secondly, this is also important. When uploading the video, when you reach at the interface where you're supposed to add the title of the short, I recommend you use the original title of the video you reacted to. That is also important. And lastly, I recommend when looking for shorts to react to, look for shorts that fall in your niche. For example, if you're into cooking niche, look for viral shorts about cooking and react to shorts in your niche. Now, since March 2025, I've been helping creators monetize here on YouTube. And my goal for this year is to help at least 1,000 creators monetize here on YouTube. So if you're interested, if you'd like me to help you monetize your YouTube channel, check the link in the description of this video, and I'll also pin that link in the comment section. That's a WhatsApp link. You can contact me and I can help you monetize your YouTube channel. I can monetize any kind of a YouTube channel here on YouTube within 7 to 21 days. Yes, it sounds unbelievable, but I'm doing that. I've been doing that and I'm still doing that. So if you're really interested in monetizing your YouTube channel, if you're really tired of chasing monetization, I can help you meet monetization within 7 to 21 days. And also remember, before contacting me, monetization is a paid service. So you can contact me and we can work together. I can help you monetize your YouTube channel within 7 to 21 days. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Watch this video if you're still struggling with getting views here on YouTube. Even if you upload shorts or long form videos, but your shorts or long form videos are not getting views, watch this video, because in this video I share a strategy that you can use to boost views on your videos. So check out this video if you're still struggling with getting views here on YouTube. Alright, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.